Inaasahang ibayo pang uunlad ang ugnayan ng Pilipinas sa mga bansang kasapi ng ASEAN. Ito'y kaugnay ng pagdalo ni Pangulong Aquino sa 24th ASEAN Summit sa Myanmar mula Mayo 10 hanggang 11. Ang report mula kay Rocky Ignacio.
Dadalo si Pangulo Aquino sa 24th ASEAN Summit na idarao sa May 10 at 11 sa Naypyidaw, Myanmar. May tema na Moving Forward in Unity to a Peaceful and Prosperous Community, kasamang dadalo ng Pangulo ang iba pang ASEAN leaders.
President Benigno S. Aquino III will be attending the following meetings in Myanmar. On Sunday, May 11th, he will be attending the 24th ASEAN Summit Plenary, the 24th ASEAN Summit Retreat, the ASEAN Leaders Interface Meeting with representatives of the ASEAN Interparliamentary Assembly, the ASEAN Leaders Interface Meeting with representatives of the civil society organizations, and the ASEAN Leaders Meeting with ASEAN Youth. The President is also scheduled to attend the welcome dinner hosted by Myanmar President U Thein Sein for all ASEAN leaders and their delegations on Saturday, May 10th.
Sa sentro rin ang pulong ng member economy sa commitment ng ASEAN sa pagbuo ng matibay na usaping politikal, nagkakaisang kalakalan, responsableng lipunan at komunidad na nakatuon sa kapakanan ng mamamayan. Pag-uusapan rin sa taunang pulong ang partisipasyon ng ASEAN sa G20 Summit na idarao sa Nobyembre ngayong taon.
During the 24th ASEAN Summit Plenary, the leaders will discuss and exchange views on the progress of the implementation of the roadmap for an ASEAN community, the initiative for ASEAN Integration Work Plan 2, and the Master Plan on ASEAN Connectivity. They will also discuss and exchange views on the future of ASEAN community and the external relations and future directions. At the 24th ASEAN Retreat, the leaders will exchange views on current regional and international issues, and Myanmar, as ASEAN Chair, will brief the leaders on its preparations relative to ASEAN's participation in the G20 Summit to be held in November 2014.
Samantala, umaasaan niya ng Pilipinas na makabuo na ng matibay na panuntunan sa usapin ng territorial dispute sa West Philippine Sea sa ilalim ng ASEAN Code of Conduct on the South China Sea. Sa harap na rin ang usapin na umano'y pagharang ng Chinese Coast Guard sa barko ng Pilipinas na makapagpadala ng supply sa mga sundalo na nakadeploy sa Ayungin Shoal at ang posibleng epekto sa naging pagdalaw sa Pilipinas ni US President Barack Obama. Nauna nang sinabi ng Pangulo na committed ang Pilipinas na resolbahin ang usapin atiko at mapayapang paraan.
I would imagine the President will be informing his fellow ASEAN leaders on the submission by the Philippines of our memorial last March 30 on the progress of our case. And I would also imagine that there will be discussions on the general situation in the South China Sea. And I can also imagine that there will be a mention in the statement of expression of concern by ASEAN on the situation in the South China Sea and how the ASEAN leaders would like the disputes to be resolved in a peaceful manner in accordance to international law.
Sa kasalukuyang walang bilateral meeting ang Pangulo sa iba pang leaders dahil sa mahigpit na schedule ng Pangulo sa ASEAN. Magkagayunman, bukas naman ang Pilipinas kung magkakaroon ng pagkakataon. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Rocky Ignacio.